Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkLaTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkLaTexHomepage.com app. And looking at our weather pattern, you can see area of high pressure, which has been extended basically across the southern half of the country. And that ridge of high pressure is what's been responsible for the dry weather and the hot weather that we've had recently. And it's going to keep us dry for the most part until the very end of the weekend, and especially come Monday when our cold front that we've been talking about for the past couple of days makes its way into the ArkLaTex. Ahead of that system, lows tonight once again, a bit on the warm and muggy side as we'll end up in the mid-70s tomorrow, looking at 76 for the low tonight in Shreveport, 76 in Texarkana, 75 degrees in Minden, 75 also for the nighttime low tonight in Marshall. Daytime highs tomorrow will be comparable to today as we once again reach the mid-90s all across the region. 95 in Shreveport, same thing in Natchitoches, 94 in Marshall, and 94 also for your high temperature in Texarkana. Still quite a bit of humidity across the region tomorrow as we'll see the heat index anywhere from 100 to 105. So again, take it easy in the heat as these temperatures actually pretty close to normal, maybe a degree or two above normal in spots. All that said, here's a look at Robin's sort of futurecast. You can see that as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. We will see a clear sky this evening, a few low clouds, as was the case late last night and this morning. Some of those low clouds will make their way into the region, mixing in with the sunshine to start your Friday. Those will burn off, giving way to lots of sunshine for most of your Friday. Really nothing too much as far as rain expected for tomorrow. As we go through tomorrow night, clear for much of the night. Low clouds return late, so we'll call it partly cloudy. And then Saturday, we'll see lots of sunshine once again with nothing really too much as far as rain. Going through Saturday night, again, we clear out during the evening. Some late night low clouds will be expected across the region as we go through the early morning hours Sunday. And we'll see more clouds in the mix Sunday with the sunshine. Slight chance for that scattered afternoon thunderstorm, especially across East Texas and northwest Louisiana. You can see the rainfall chances looking a bit higher off to our east. That's associated with an upper level disturbance working its way on the bottom of that upper level ridge, which is going to be expanding more towards the north and west. And you can see as that ridge moves west, we'll see a cold front. Here it is, making its way into the northern and northwestern edge of the area late Sunday night and Monday. And this band of showers and thunderstorms will gradually move across our area Monday night, and Tuesday, bringing a threat for a few thunderstorms as well. But right now, severe weather risk is looking rather low. Here's a look at the weather pattern. You can see the ridge firmly in place as we go through the end of the weekend. You can see the ridge intensifying here across the Rockies, trough developing here across the Great Lakes. There is the front and the rain associated with it by Tuesday morning. Still some leftover rain here for Tuesday, perhaps Wednesday over the southern sections of the area. And then as we move to the end of next week, we'll start to see that front work its way back to the north, and that chance for the shower and thunderstorm will come with it to close next week, probably beginning Friday. We'll see that chance of rain begin to increase once again across the region. But behind that front, looking at a nice break in the humidity for at least the last half of next week. As far as rainfall, latest model runs showing that we could be looking at rainfall potential. Most areas, Shreveport, half an inch or so. Could see a few spots that pick up a little bit more and a few spots that pick up a little bit less. I do think the rainfall totals you're seeing across the southern sections of the area with this model may be a little bit underdone, but nonetheless, half an inch, maybe an inch possible in a few isolated spots during the course of the next week. So rain shouldn't cause too many problems. All that said, your 7-day forecast looks like this for Shreveport, mid-90s through the weekend. Looking at 91 Monday with the rainfall chances increasing. Behind the front, you can see mid to upper 80s for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, as we will see overnight lows dipping back into the mid to upper 60s. 68 for the nighttime low in Shreveport Wednesday night. In Texarkana, your numbers looking similar as you'll be in the low 90s for the weekend, probably low to middle 80s as we go into Tuesday, Wednesday, staying in the mid 80s for the last half of next week. Nighttime lows in Texarkana also for the most part in the mid to upper 60s. Could have some mid 60s definitely across the northern edge of the area where the air may be just a little bit drier. So all in all, it looks like we'll see a little bit of a change from our hot and humid to warm and dry, and as we make the transition, we'll see that chance for some showers and thunderstorms to begin next week.